हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैंने की है स्टेशनरी की शॉपिंग क्रॉफर्ड मार्केट से। लेट्स स्टार्ट विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम। फर्स्ट वन इज दिस कुरोमी बैग। लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट। It is very cute and I love the purple color. As you can see, there is a compartment here. You can keep diaries, notebooks, notepad in this compartment. Our next item is this My Melody bag. Let's unbox it. Oh, this is such a cute one. I purchased this bag for my sister. This bag is just like Kuromi bag. Now our next item is this unicorn stationery set. This looks so pinky. In this stationery set, you will get one compass box, two pencils, scale, wax crayons, sharpener and eraser. Let's see one by one. All the items are really very cute. You can give this stationery set as a birthday gift also. It's only for ₹140. Our next item is this Kuromi pouch. This pouch is only for ₹150. Our next item is this scratch note, only for ₹60. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe now. Our next item are these cute erasers. This is astronaut eraser. This one is cute owl eraser. Next one is this cute Pikachu eraser. It is so cute. So our next eraser is this castle eraser. So our next item is this one more eraser. So this is our unicorn push-up eraser. This is purple in color, my favorite color. So next is this Kuromi and My Melody scale. It is called foldable scale. On this scale, there is different types of shapes. So our next item is this glue pen. You can stick tiny things with this glue pen. So next is this astronaut light pen. This pen has colorful light. I am reminding you again, still if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.